This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your alarm sound on your Android phone. So we can just swipe up and then go to search and just type in clock or locate clock for yourself. But when you set up an alarm, you do have the option to change it. So let's go to these alarms and I'll just turn this one on. I have it on now. I can go into it and tap it. And I'll go to allow so I can access that. And then once we have it set up, we can go to the settings for it. Okay, so we should be able to go into here now, and then we should be able to adjust the different sound settings. So let's tap in there one more time, and then here's the alarm sound. We can tap on that and just make sure it's turned on. Now the cool thing is we can go to Spotify and we can set this up, log in with their account, and we can pretty much choose any song on Spotify to wake up to if that's what we want to do. And then I just have a ringtone option. Whatever I have set is like my ringtone, and you can download songs through like Pixabay or Zedge or something like that on your phone. If you go to your Google Play Store, you can download things with different applications. And I have this one application on here called Zedge. If I open up Zedge, Zedge wallpapers and ringtones, and I can download ringtones through here, like Halo theme. And when I download the ringtone, I can use this as my alarm sound. So you can press download, and when you go to set this alarm right here, I don't believe it actually puts it as your ringtone, so you got to go into it and manually do it yourself. So if I go to here, since I just downloaded the song, it should be on here, so you can see it didn't switch over. But whatever I just downloaded should be on here. So I think I downloaded like Halo theme 1 or something like that. I'll just use something else on here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.